Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to OnChain Revolution. My name is Shizzy. I'm joined by my guy Yagobi, and today we're gonna be walking you guys through the Tokyo Wallet. We're gonna be actually swapping runes in the wallet.
Yeah, and just to kind of give you guys a heads up on what Tokyo Wallet is and what they're trying to build here is Tokyo Wallet is a multi-chain smart wallet, right? And their whole objective is to build a one-stop shop, the best UI and UX experience for users, right? Because if wallets are truly going to be like the future bank accounts, then you don't want to constantly have to leave your wallet and go to different resources, right? You want to kind of stay in one spot, and that's what they're trying to build, right? So they support Cardano and they support Bitcoin, and they're going to be supporting other ecosystems in the future. What we're going to dive into today is kind of show you how easy it is to swap for Bitcoin runes. And if you're into the Cardano ecosystem, you can actually swap for Cardano tokens. But today, I'm going to walk you through this little quick tutorial on the Bitcoin rune side, as Dog Go to the Moon is really popular, and that's what I'm going to show you kind of how to swap for that. But just curious on your thoughts on something like what they're trying to build. What do you think about that for the space? Is it needed? Do you think this is a good product? What they're trying to move towards?
Well, I mean, I love the app itself, right? Like, so for me, it's like, will I use it, right? And I downloaded it the first time to check it out, and I really haven't stopped using it. I started off just using it to buy Cardano stuff, and then when the transition happened and they became, this Bitcoin ecosystem tool, I started swapping on Sats Terminal, and I'm like, well, Sats Terminal, I'm earning Amber. Potentially, I might be earning something from Tokyo. For me, I'm just trying to earn as much as I can, especially in this downtime when there's not a lot of opportunities to make money. And Tokyo seems to be that, and that's kind of why I use it. And I don't really use a lot of crypto products, right? For me, I'm kind of one of the people that I stick to what I like, and I like Tokyo.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. So guys, we're gonna walk you through how to swap for Bitcoin runes. If you do have, just a heads up, if you do have an Apple iPhone, you want to download this app at the Apple App Store. If you have a Android, you want to go to the Google Play Store to download it there. But I'm going to share my screen right now and kind of show you guys what it is like to swap for Bitcoin runes. First things first, you want to make sure you got some Bitcoin in there, right? So you can just hit that receive button up here, and then you swipe to the left, and then you'll see a Bitcoin option, and you'll see your receive Bitcoin address. You'll send Bitcoin to that address, and then you get back to this home screen right here. And then the second thing you want to do is you want to see that double arrow right here in this area right here. You want to swap, right? And then when you click that, it's going to take you to this screen. I selected Dog Go to the Moon because that is the popular Bitcoin rune right now. So you'll click on this right here, but you can, as you can see, they have options for multiple Bitcoin runes because they are using the Sats Terminal Aggregator DexSwap, right? So that's the great thing about Tokyo Wallet, is that their partnerships are like really strong. And so the first thing they want to do whenever they start supporting an ecosystem, let's get to the aggregator because that's what makes the most sense for a wallet. So I select the Dog Go to the Moon token there, and then it's going to bring me to kind of the chart, right? And then it'll bring this up to kind of let me swap my Bitcoin for Dog. So let this continue here. So you can select percentage down there. I selected 25% of what my balance was. Or I did 50%, sorry. And then you can see right here, it says powered by DotSwap, but that's because they're using the aggregator and Sats Terminal uses multiple sources, right? So you can see right now it is going through the process of swapping your Bitcoin for Dog Go to the Moon. It might take a couple seconds. Give it, a couple seconds to load up. It is Bitcoin. We got to remember it's a little bit slower, but it shows you what the quote's going to be once that loading finishes there. And you can see the fee rate. I had to put my code in just to broadcast the transaction, and bam, there you can see the Dog is in my wallet right there, right? So I swapped for Dog, and the Bitcoin side, you broadcast the transaction like we just saw, and that takes, the block time, right? So be a little bit patient on the Bitcoin side. Probably going to move a little bit quicker on the Cardano side, but that's the nature of the beast with Bitcoin. But the fact that they are able to have that, in there pretty quickly, as soon as that block goes through, you'll see the balance in your wallet right there. So I was very happy to buy Dog Go to the Moon before the recent explosion with what's been happening there. So, it's really simple. I love it because, again, I can swap for native Bitcoin tokens. I can swap for native Cardano tokens, and you can't do that in very many places because they're both UTXO chains, right? Kraken's just started supporting ADA tokens or Cardano native tokens, and now they're going to be supporting Bitcoin tokens. But Tokyo has that access already for you guys. So we just wanted to show you that. Any thoughts on kind of what that experience is like? I know that you've done it yourself.
Yeah, I've done everything, right? I've swapped for fluid, I've swapped for dog, I swapped for a lot of different things as well in there, and I went around and checked out the different dApps and tools that are actually in that wallet itself. They have a lot of different partnerships, and and they have one thing I liked about Tokyo Wallet too is they have like objectives or missions where you can kind of go and do stuff. So I've been kind of knocking those out. I'm not sure what it's going to get me, but I mean, it might get me something, right? And it's worth to kind of mess around. But I did want to show one more thing. If somebody's like, I like Tokyo, but I use my crypto wallet on my desktop. So I went and discovered something really cool. There's an app called Blue Stacks, right? And I'll actually show it to you guys. I'll actually have the link for Blue Stacks in the bottom. Blue Stacks is basically you can just download apps just like you would do your phone. So I have the Tokyo wallet now on my PC. So I'll just click the Tokyo wallet and I'm able to sign up. I can create a new wallet right on here. And I basically have all the features here, and I can set my theme, I can set my colors, whatever I want, the same as I can do on my phone. So I'll put this BlueStacks app in there. You can download BlueStacks on your PC, and then go in the Google App Store and actually download Tokyo just like I did. And you can actually download any type of app that you want. You can very similar to your phone and play everything on your PC. So I definitely want to show that as well because people do say, "Oh, I like it, but I want it on my PC." There's apps for that as well. So definitely check out Tokyo.
Yeah, for sure. And you can go check them out as well on their website to kind of learn about the team and learn about like any future updates. You can go to tokyo.io, and then at the bottom of their website, they should have all their socials. Make sure you're following them on X because I'm telling you, this team, they go to all the events. They are making relationships with all of the important ecosystems, and we'll just tell you what we can in that there's a lot that's coming. So we're excited about it. And we just wanted to show you guys, how to swap. And it's really, really simple. So we appreciate you guys checking out this video, and, stay tuned for our next video tutorial.
Yeah, remember, just always check us out live Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern. And this Thursday at around 12:30, we're going to be doing a full walkthrough with this app here if you want to check that out as well. And until tomorrow.
Peace.